Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is May 15th, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. U.S. market remained in the uptrend, and last week, NVIDIA broke out from a base. That's significant. I'm going to share with you the chart later on. My action and trees, I just continue along the market with the 4 positions. Let's take a look at the indices and the charts. German DAX index making new highs. NASDAQ near the new high. Well, it actually made the new high last week. So this is clearly a market has a very strong uptrend. All this pullback is very small, and as soon as the index hit 50-day moving average, it keeps moving up again. SP 500 also made new high and going up, uptrend. Gold may rebound from here, but overall, this downtrend is bad. But however, look at this trend line, it may find support right here. Silver also rebounded a little bit after a huge drop. Gold mining stock index ETF, GDX, rebounded already. So GDX usually lead the gold and silver. Crude oil rebounded. China-Asia market still in a downtrend. It tried to rebound. China-Asia ETF, this one is better than the Asia market. FXI seems like wants to go up from here. Semiconductor make the new high. It's a very strong index. Social media index also made a new high here, although it pulled back for 2 days, but overall the trend is up. Very strong uptrend. This is 3 times of technology index, and this is a very good ETF to hold in the market going up like this. However, just bear in mind, if the market ever comes down, TECL will come down 3 times as fast. So let's take a look at the stocks. No much change except Apple and Tesla is now overbought. They're too extended. They're out of the buy range. And I added one stock, is a ticker is CC, chemical stock. Another stock is NVIDIA, which is making the semiconductor chips that's used in the gaming data center and artificial intelligence. NVIDIA has the characteristics of a big stock, and let's don't miss this stock. I'm going to show you the chart. Amazon within the buy range. The buy point is $923.82 here. So it's within 5% of that buy point. Camels, CC, this is a chemical company. Very nice uptrend. Every time it hits a pullback to 50-day moving average, it's a buy opportunity, just coming along this line. Recently, it broke out from a $42.60. That's a little base right here, or the better buy opportunity is when they rebound from 50-day moving average. CGNX, this is in the machine vision and doing the somehow related to the AI in manufacturing. This is also very strong stocks. Delphi, DLPH, is self-driving car sector. It's a has a very huge gap up here. That's a buy point, $82.95. 10 cents above here is $83.05. That's a buy point. NVIDIA had a very nice uptrend last year, and the beginning of actually starts from end of last year. NVIDIA came back, enter a consolidation period, and the stock is consolidating between $95 and $120 here. Then last week, Wednesday, it reported earnings. and stock has a huge volume gap up. And the gap up, if you had the chance to buy at the open, at that gap up, that's the best price. If not, then the breakout from $120.77, it's also a buy point. We are right now we're actually a little bit over 5% of this buy point. I'm putting it here. Hopefully, it can pull back a little bit, so it will be within 5% of this buy point. But if you want to buy at this price, which is already out of the buy range, just barely out of the buy range, if you want to buy it now, it's okay. Just reduce the position so your risk is lower. Always set a stop order though. For NVIDIA, I would think the open price on the gap up day somewhere around 112, don't remember what's a gap up price, 112 maybe. That would be a good price to do the stop. If it come back, fill that gap, that's the time you should get out, because that demonstrates there's not enough support for that gap up. UNDR, this is a chemical company, rebounded from 50-day moving average. Right now, it's in the buy range of that rebound. Now, the second list are the stocks that's out of the buy range but still in the uptrend. AAOI, this one is in a very nice uptrend. And look at the volume. When they stock on the up days, there's a huge volume that shows the support. Apple breakout from $144.96 here. Right now, it's out of the buy range. Adobe, nice uptrend, no buy point here. Alibaba also have a very strong support. It keep going up. This is going to be a runaway stock as well. So if you have stocks like Alibaba, Adobe, or Apple, don't sell, just hold on. The uptrend is going to run for a while. Facebook pull back a little bit, but overall trend is up. Google uptrend as well. This is also a big stock. Microsoft pull back a little bit, but overall trend is up. Applied Materials uptrend. This is also a runaway stock. Micron Technology uptrend. This is a semiconductor stock. Tesla broke out from here, and right now it's in uptrend. Although after earning, it seems came down, but it finds support, very strong support. This high volume here is actually demonstrates the support, and then now it's going up. So Tesla is kind of a choppy up and down, but overall trend is up. Viva Systems uptrend. So all those stocks on the second list are the stocks that's out of the buy range, but they're still in the uptrend. You can hold on to them. In this market, I would remain long the market, because the market is an uptrend. There are enough good stocks for you to pick from. If not, then just do the index, buy the index ETF. That also works in this market. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.